Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset OPPO K13 Turbo. Alright, we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the recommended method when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, it's fully responsive, is a simple reset using the settings. So let's begin with that method. So let's launch our settings. Now let's scroll down, all the way down. Let's click on System and Update, click on Backup and Reset, and select Reset Phone. Also, what I recommend before resetting is creating a backup of your data. Thanks to that, we'll be able to restore that data in the future. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel there's a lot of videos when I'm showing you how to create a backup on various devices, so I'm sure that you'll find it. So, now we are interested in the last option, erase all data, but in here we can also reset network and Bluetooth settings and reset all settings. Remember that factory resetting your device will cause this, that all of your data will be erased from your device, so have that in mind. And now to erase the device, simply click on the button. If you have a lock screen set, you will also have to draw it, and after that your device will be turned off, then turned on again. And the next thing that we need to do is to set up our device. That's the first method. When it comes to the second one, it's the reset using the recovery mode. And the second method is recommended basically when we cannot perform the first method that I have just shown you. Or for example, when the phone is unresponsive, it's lagged, frozen, when we cannot do anything. Or for example, when the screen is unresponsive. To do it, we need to power off our device first. Let's click the power button and volume up button at the same time, and now select power off. Now, to launch the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. When the OPPO logo appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume down. Let me show you. So, start holding both of the buttons. Now release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. Just like that. And now the menu appeared. You can barely see it, I know it. But using the volume keys, we can select our language. Now, to confirm the selected option, click the power button, or you can also use your fingers. And now we need to select Format Data. And now we need to type the code that we have on our screen to confirm. So, type your the code, and now click on the format. Now the process will start. Click on OK. It's on the bottom of the screen, and now within a few seconds the phone will turn on automatically. You can see that the OPPO logo appeared, and the next step is setting our device up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.